mean, holy cow. It is... There is definitely something going on here. A lot of rain, a lot of wind, and hopefully trees don't go down. But the way the wind is right now, holy mackerel. Yeah, I got a tree down right here. Yep, got trees down. Got branches down. Got to get out of here. Holy mackerel, look at this. This is absolutely incredible. This is not good. You got a lot of stuff on here now, right now. A lot of trees. You got police blocking people off. There is a power line down. We do have a power line down. Okay. And they're turning people around. So I guess I'll have to go back to where I came from because there is a tree down. The tree is down. The tree is down. Holy mackerel. Okay, you got the fire department coming. Alright, pull over here to the right. Alright, I think that's the West Point 5 pound. Fuck out of here. Oh shit. No, this is not good. This is not freaking good. Not good. I gotta get away from these fucking trees. Man. I gotta get away from these trees. Alright, I'm gonna go to the visitor center and hunker down there. Rolls over. Alright, not good. There we go. Not freaking good. Gotta get away from this big tree. Gotta get away from all of these trees. Those branches can come down. You got these weak branches. You can come down and do damage to your car. Let's just get over here. I'm going to go to the VCC and we're going to hang out down at the VCC. I'm going to honker down the VCC, ladies and gentlemen. Watch the fucking tree. Alright. Come on, let's go, let's go. Something else up before. We're going to go down, we're not going to go here. Go down to the VCC.
Hey everybody, yeah, this is when I was coming home from work, and that had to have been the latter portion or mid portion or maybe even the beginning, I forgot the date, of May, and that's when we had a tornado warning, and subsequently a tornado did touch down somewhere in the Orange County area, but we were losing trees, tree limbs left and right. I couldn't even get home from work, so it was really, really bad. Sorry about the foul language at the beginning of the vid, and on with the show.
Hello everybody and welcome. I know I haven't been on for a while. I guess I just wanted to show you the change of the season since I last broadcasted. Everything is good. Job is good. I feel good. The weather is warm. Matter of fact, it's 58 degrees right now. And it is 7:38 a.m. And of course, as usual, I'm en route to my work, and I'll tell you what, it's going to be a beautiful day today. As you can see, the trees have grown their leaves since we last spoke, and it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous day here in Orange County, New York. Yes, Orange County, New York. So, what do we do today? besides driving to work. I feel like singing. I know some of you don't want to hear me sing, but I'm going to do it anyway. Because I just feel like singing. Look at the mountains in the background. Aren't they gorgeous? And during the winter time when it snows, those mountains look absolutely beautiful. Although I hate the winter, I dislike it with a passion. I despise it, I really do. But there are some days and in some areas of upstate New York where it is a beautiful sight to see the snow blanketed mountains. So we are approaching a little bridge, and then just beyond that we are going to go over Storm King Mountain. So what has been happening? Well, let's see. What has been happening? I've been eating a lot better, staying away from junk food, McDonald's and whatnot, and my wife has been cooking organically, and I'm going to be quite honest with you, organic food tastes a lot different than processed. I know. It's a no-brainer, and some of the organic food might be slightly more expensive in the stores to buy, but the meat tastes great. The vegetables taste awesome. There's no comparison. No comparison. Non-antibiotic fed cattle tastes awesome. Fed the grass that nature intended for the cows to eat. Yep. Matter of fact, a couple of nights ago, she made chicken. And I tell you quite honestly, before we went organic, I never really enjoyed chicken as much as I do now. It used to taste like old, you know? And if you take the chicken that you made that day and put it in the refrigerator, I would come home at night, around 11 o'clock, it would taste really like tainted, like bad, you know? Like the smell of wet dog, you know? But ever since we went organic, I had an organic chicken. It tastes great. Absolutely great. There's no comparison. Same thing with the beef and the vegetables. And we should have did it a long time ago. So we're on a health food kick. We're eating better, not putting a lot of the toxins in our body, and that's always a good thing. Okay, now we're approaching Storm King Mountain, and we're going over Storm King Mountain right now. And I don't know if you can exactly see it, but they repaved the road in the left lane, and I should get over there, and I guess hopefully today they'll be repaving the right lane that I'm traveling in right now. Look at the vegetation, how beautiful it came out. And right now it's 58 degrees. And it is 7:44 a.m. Live here, well, live now, in Orange County, New York, heading to work. So let me sing a song, okay? I know you don't want to hear me sing a song, but I'm going to do it just for the heck of it. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down and give me a comment. And I won't sing anymore, but if you want to hear me sing, here we go. All right? This is a Don Williams tune. I Believe in Love. And I think I've sung it before. And for those of you who know me, know that I enjoy karaoke a lot. And you too can do online karaoke as I do.
by going to singsnap.com. That's singsnap.com. Now we're cresting the top of the mountain. And at the crest is when I normally sing, so I'll sing now. Here we go. I don't believe in superstars, organic food, or foreign cars. I don't believe the price of gold, the certainty of growing old, that right is right and left is wrong, that north and south can't get along, that east is east and west is west, and being first is always best. But I believe in love, I believe in children, I believe in mom and dad, and I believe in you. Well, I don't believe that heaven waits for only those who congregate. I like to think of God as love. He's down below, oh, he's up above. He's watching people everywhere. He knows who does and doesn't care. And I'm an ordinary man. Sometimes I wonder who I am. But I believe in love, I believe in music, I believe in magic, and I believe in you. Well, I don't believe. I forgot the lyrics. All right, I forgot the lyrics. But if you want to hear that song in its entirety, you could go to singsnap.com. GEO 24400 is my handle. So all you have to do is just type in GEO 24400 in the search bar of SingSnap, and it'll bring you to all the songs that I've sung. All right, we're going over Storm King Mountain right now, and look at it. It's beautiful. Look at those rocks, the mountain on the right side, and of course the mountain in front of us is absolutely gorgeous. And for those of you who've been following me, and a few of you have, I know, just very, very few, but that's okay, because hey, it is what it is, right? Have seen this part of New York State brilliantly colored during the fall season, and it is a sight to see. The colors are so brilliant that sometimes you really need sunglasses because it's that brilliant. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm very blessed to be living in a great area of New York State, Orange County. I did at one time live up further, and then we moved down here because the job opportunities were a lot better, and well, the pay was a lot better. So here I am. All right, that's it. We're done here. Until next time, remember what Luv Bee always says: love each other because we are all we've got. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you soon.